Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I created this meditation just for you to help you feel grounded, calm, and centered. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in and let it go. Allow your body to soften and relax. This is your time to let go of any tension or stress. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice how it feels to breathe in and breathe out. You don't need to change anything about your breathing, just observe. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath moving in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Gently guide your awareness back to your breath. Just breathe, be present, and allow yourself to relax deeper with every exhale. As you continue to breathe, notice the sensation of air entering through your nose and exiting through your mouth. How does it feel as your chest and belly rise with each inhale? And how does your body soften with each exhale? Feel the calming rhythm of each breath flowing through you. If thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment and return to the breath. This is your anchor, your center of peace. Remember, if any thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment and return to the breath. Now, let's deepen our focus. As you inhale, feel your body filling with calm energy. And as you exhale, imagine all the tension and stress leaving your body. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and more present. If distractions come, that's okay. Just gently guide your attention back to the breath and back to this moment. Inhale peace and exhale tension. Take a few more deep, intentional breaths. Feel the gratitude of this moment of stillness for showing up for yourself today. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Slowly open your eyes. Remember, you can return to your breath anytime you need calm and clarity throughout your day. If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more. Take this calm energy with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me today, and take care.